Hey y'all, I'm William. I'm a prompt engineer at Latitude. Welcome to the AI PM course. We built this because AI is changing product work faster than most teams expected. And most PMs were never taught how to actually build with AI. At Latitude, as an open source AI engineering platform, we work with product teams every single day. We also build AI features ourselves, so we see what actually works and what doesn't. So we took everything we've learned and we've turned it into this course. So, what's this course about? You're going to learn how to top PMs build reliable AI products step by step. The course is divided into 6 tracks. Each one adds a new skill to your toolkit. First, we'll build your AI PM mindset. What makes AI products unique and why reliability becomes part of that job. Then, you'll learn how to design AI systems, prompts, agents, and structured outputs that behave predictably instead of randomly. Next, you'll move on to experimentation and feedback. That's how to test your AI and collect the right data. From there, you'll diagnose and automate quality using annotations, issue discovery, and evals to measure performance. After that, you'll learn how to iterate and improve your AI systematically, turning insights into better prompts and better behavior. And finally, we'll wrap up with how to lead as an AI PM, scaling this process across your team and across your product. The course is hands-on, not just theory. By the end, you'll know how to build an AI feature that works reliably in the real world. Here's how it'll work. You'll use a real prompt, either one you bring or one that we give you. The tracks are designed to stack. Each week, you'll learn a new skill that unlocks the next one. And by the end, you'll have a repeatable process you can use to make any AI system more reliable. And here's why this matters. Most AI features today are unpredictable. Sometimes they're impressive, other times they can break in ways that no one can really explain. The PMs who succeed aren't the ones who write the fanciest prompts. They're the ones who understand how to guide an AI system, measure its behavior, and improve it over time. That's what you'll learn here. By the end of the course, you'll know how to take an AI feature from it kind of works to we can ship this with confidence. A clear workflow, real evaluation tools, and a process you can repeat across any AI project. All right, let's dive in.